Sunset Zoom. Let's go in. There's the dog team on 20X. They know they're getting close. They can see that finish line scene. Look at all those dog heads bobbing up and down. Here we go. Look at that. AddieAnn Randall coming in. Great run for AddieAnn. Junior musher there, looking good. We'll give you a second to watch her. We got another team coming way out there.
That's very much Daddy.
So there we go. Let's spin it around, catch that sunset again. Get in the zoom position. Oh boy, who's that? So we had AddieAnn Randall went out this morning, and she was team in 15th position, if you count your ottering musher. So 14th position. And just came in, I think, 8th. So darn good for AddieAnn. Another junior musher kicking butt out there. There's your sunset. There's your next team. Is that going to be Rohn Buser? Is that going to be Mckena Hanson? Mazzy Bailey? Emily Krol? Who do we got?
Oh, he's doing this on purpose. Yes, he is.
I think it's Rohn. I think it's Rohn. I can hear his wife.
This is Daddy being a goon.
Yep, there you go. Daddy's being a goofball. He's sitting on his sled coming in. There he is. Just sitting down, coming in. So Rohn's in next. That answers that question. Just stood up. All right, that's team 9, I think. Starting to lose a little bit of track here. Is that 9th place? Anybody keeping track anymore? Ty?
We're doing the math over here, and it's going to the left.
Oh, you're right. No, there's more math because we don't have a